Welcome to Smart Nature Care and the Free Plant Food Lab, US and AMP, Canada playlist. This is episode 3 of a 10-episode series designed for North American homes, balconies, and backyards, clean methods, real side-by-side tests, and apartment-safe steps. Before we start, please tap subscribe and ring the bell so YouTube actually shows you the next episodes the moment they drop. Coffee grounds are everywhere online. Do they boost your plants, or can they burn them? Today, I'm running a simple truth test you can copy at home. One container with no coffee grounds as the control, and one with a tiny, well-mixed amount of used grounds. No hype, just honest results. Quick context. I garden in a typical US backyard, and everything here is beginner-friendly, pet and kid-aware, and as chemical-free as possible. The heart of this channel is calm, practical gardening that respects your time and your space. If you're new here, explore the playlist after this. Each episode is short, focused, and builds on the last, so you can turn everyday waste into clean, free plant food without mess or mystery. Let's set the experiment. 2 similar containers, the same potting mix, the same light. The control gets normal watering only. The test container gets used, drained coffee grounds and atony pinch, mixed into the top inch of soil until they disappear. I'll watch 3 simple signals: overall growth, leaf color, and leaf turgor. That firm, hydrated feel of a healthy canopy. I'll also watch for negatives: smell, fungus gnats, and a sticky crust on the surface. A quick word about myths. Coffee grounds are not a magic nitrogen bomb, and dumping thick, wet layers on top is a great way to smother roots, invite gnats, and create sour odors. The safe approach is microdosing. Very small amounts, thoroughly mixed, and only when your soil already drains well. Think pinch, not plateful. If your soil is soggy or compacted, fix drainage and watering first. Grounds will not rescue a swamp. Here's the safe method you can copy. Use used grounds, cooled and squeezed so they're damp, not dripping. Start with a small pinch per small pot and mix it into the top inch so the surface stays open and crumbly. Cover with a little dry material, like finished compost or dry mulch, so nothing mats on top. Keep your normal watering schedule. Don't treat coffee day like fertilizer day. This is a micro tweak, not a main meal. Common mistakes to avoid. Never spread a thick, wet blanket of grounds. Never bury fresh, hot grounds around tender stems. Never leave the surface glossy and sealed. If you see a slick film or smell something sour, gently loosen the top layer to let it breathe. Skip grounds for a while and let the soil recover. Light and watering matter more than any kitchen input. Now for honest observations. In my test window, the control plant stays steady and clean. The coffee grounds container shows subtle differences when used correctly, a slightly nicer top texture, and asmal nudge in new growth. When I tried a heavier layer off camera, the surface matted, stayed damp, and attracted gnats, exactly what we don't want. So yes, coffee grounds can help a little with structure and soil life, but only in tiny, mixed amounts. Overdo it, and you trade benefits for problems. My takeaways you can use today. If you want to experiment with coffee grounds, keep them used, drained, and cool. Add a pinch, mix into the top inch, and pair with a bit of dry material or finished compost. Skip grounds on seedlings and in poorly draining soils. And remember, your real power is light, watering, and consistent care. Clean inputs, clean soil, clean results. Because this is episode 3 of 10 inside the playlist, the learning path continues right away. The playlist is curated to flow from simple to slightly advanced, with short, side-by-side experiments you can copy even in a small apartment. If you're enjoying the calm, practical style of Smart Nature Care, there's a lot more waiting for you in this series. If this truth test helped, tap subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss the rest of Free Plant Food Lab, US and AMP, Canada. Watch next. Eggshell calcium water. Can it stop blossom end rot? It's on screen now, and you'll also find the links in the pinned comment and at the top of the description. Thanks for watching Smart Nature Care. See you in the next episode. You said,